Hello everyone, today let's going to introduce you our Decor tiles. We have a different categories, different mold texture on the surface. We have matte, homogeneous, and then we have the shining glaze. The latest collection, super slim rectangle tiles. Let's turn around in the showroom. This is another corner. We have so many colorful tiles you can use for kitchen or backsplash. This is Decor tiles. You can use the bathroom. Very attractive. This is super slim timber look tile. Here is the small mock-up. Like olive oil colors, very elegant. This fruit series we sell a lot. This is Tinana. Concord is the latest collections. Okay, let's see how we produce. This is all the raw material area like powders, glazing, clay, greetings. This is press machine. We press 9 pieces together. Now the brisk tiles go into the kiln. Work very properly. This is glazing. Every single tiles we experience 3 to 4 times. Now the tiles go inside of the kiln. They are filing. The kiln is 208 meters. The tiles is finished filing. Is almost done, and the QC is checking the defective and take it out. After this step, the tiles is going to be packing. The Decor tiles is very small, so all the packing is by manual. After that, it's going to be palletized. Here is the technical department. All the equipment is for the check the quality of the raw materials and the bodies. Here's all the body colors. They are doing test. This is the pigment. Now we are going to show how we make the mold. Some of them we make it by hand. For the Decor tiles, we also use manual to drawing the pattern of the flowers. Here is the new product development. They are discussing how for next new collections. This is the warehouse or is palletized. Loading to Australia. We will keep the pallet tight and safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.